Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to prove that the sum of a rational number and irrational number is irrational. Prove that 3 plus root 2 is irrational. Let us assume that 3 plus root 2 is rational. Then, by the definition of rational numbers, we can write 3 plus root 2 in the form of p by q, a fraction, where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0, and p and q are relatively prime. Now let us transpose 3 from LHS to RHS. There is no sign before 3, so it is plus 3. When transposed, it becomes minus 3. So root 2 is equal to p by q minus 3. Or we can write this as root 2 is equal to p by q minus 3 by 1. Now let us simplify right hand side of the equation. For this, we need to find the LCM of the denominators q and 1. LCM of q and 1 is q. So write root 2 is equal to a line and q, that is LCM in the denominator. Now divide this q with denominator of the first fraction, that is also q. When we divide q with q, we get 1. Multiply this 1 with numerator of the first fraction, that is p. So it will be equal to 1 into p. So write 1 into p here. Now there is minus sign between these two fractions. So write minus here. Now divide q with 1. When we divide q with 1, we get q. Multiply this q with 3. Then it will be equal to q into 3. So write q into 3 here. Now 1 into p is 1p or p. Q into 3, 3q. So we can write this as root 2 is equal to p minus 3q by q, a fraction. But as root 2 is irrational, and we know that we cannot write irrational numbers in the form of a fraction, so this is a contradiction. We got this contradiction as we assumed that 3 plus root 2 is rational. So our assumption is false. 3 plus root 2 is irrational.